Have you ever been on a PlayStation that you wanted to clean your PlayStation? Well, you sure can. Just change the channel to video. That's the video. Turn it on. There it goes. Now I have your PlayStation controller. Scroll down to CD player and then press enter. Now I have your CD player. You have the Insignia Waste Orange Cleaner. Open your case. We sure can. Open it. Put it into your CD and close your disc. Now press play. Let's see. Please forward to track 2 for English voice guide. Thank you for selecting your CD cleaning disc to clean your CD player. You can enjoy the music while cleaning your CD player at the same time. When you hear a high tone beep sound, please forward the cleaning CD to track 9. The cleaning process is now completed. Please enjoy the following music. Your CD player will work much better if you use the CD Lens cleaner regularly. Now press stop and eject this. There we go. Put it in its case. If you want music, open your case, take the disc out and close your case. Put it into your PlayStation and close your disc. There we go. Now to turn the lights off and press play and let's see.
I got a heart full of rhythm that beats with no pain. I got a head full of melodies stuck in my brain. But the best part of being a singer at all is singing to the world my songs. I said sing to
Go down arrow. Outstanding.
my song.
Then click press pause and then press stop. And eject this. Oh, turn the lights on. Thank you. Here we go. There we go. Magnum trainer title. Go down arrow and choose exit. Oh, wait. If you want to play a game, just insert it into your disc and then close our disc. Now you can turn it on. Now wait for the PlayStation logo to come. There we go. Oh, there's the PlayStation. Oh, the PlayStation. This logo's turned on. Now wait. Copyright 1998. California Productions Incorporated. No memory card preset in Swamp 1. Loading. Hasbro Interactive logo. Whoa, that was some cleaning. Hi folks, I'm Cherry O'Donnell. We'll get to our game in a minute, but first we have a little business to take care of. There you go. Now it's cleaning. If you want them reset, turn your lights on. If you want to reset, just press the reset button. Here we go. That's it. Now to turn it off your PlayStation and open your disc. Look at that. Close our disc. And then it's your CD PlayStation.